In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify game file integrity on Steam. If a game is crashing, not launching properly, freezing, or behaving strangely after an update. Verifying the game files is one of the easiest fixes you can try. This process checks the files installed on your computer against the official versions on Steam. If anything is missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically replace it for you. To begin, open Steam and go to your library. This is where all of your installed and purchased games are listed. Once you're in the library section, find the game you want to check. Make sure you choose the specific game that's giving you trouble, since the verification only applies to the title you select. Next, right-click the game and choose Properties. This opens a settings window just for that game, where you can manage things like updates, installed content, and local files. If you're using a different Steam layout or a smaller screen, the option may still appear in a similar menu, so just look for properties associated with the game. After that, click the Installed Files tab. This section contains options related to the game. Files stored on your device. It's the area you'll want whenever you need to inspect, move, or repair the local installation of a game. Once you're there, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. As soon as you click it, Steam will begin scanning the game's installation. During this check, Steam compares your local files to the correct versions on its servers. This is especially helpful if a file was damaged during a download, changed by accident, or affected by a system issue. Now all you need to do is wait for the verification to finish. The amount of time this takes depends on the size of the game and the speed of your storage drive. So smaller games may finish quickly, while larger ones can take a few minutes or longer. It's best to let the process complete without interrupting it. If Steam finds missing or corrupted files, it will automatically download and replace them. In many cases, that's enough to fix launch errors, broken textures, missing audio, or other unexpected issues. Keep in mind that verifying files usually won't remove your saved progress, but if a game uses mods or altered files, those may be affected because Steam is restoring the official game data. Once the process is complete, try launching the game again and see if the problem is resolved. That's all it takes to verify game file integrity on Steam.